All right, now keep up with that learning of the theme, and you've learned probably more than half the song, or about half the song once you've learned that theme. We still haven't added the pedal to that yet. That's all right. Hold off on that at this point. Let's start learning the right hand of Variation 1. Now, this uses a blues run. I love to take pieces of the blues and jazz and bring it into all kinds of styles. So I use pieces of this run in all kinds of things. Once you learn this run, you can add things to it and go back and forth. But you're going to learn the basic run, and it's going to be part of this song. Now, you've got to get the fingering right on this guy, and so I'd really encourage you, again, take it slow and figure out what these note names are, and let's say them out loud. These are the notes of the blues scale, although where I have a G flat, in some books it's written as an F sharp, and you'll see it both ways, and either way is fine. Notice the tied note on the C, the third space C. We always count from the bottom up. So find that third space C. It's in the middle of the measure. It's got that tie. Watch out for that. That catches a lot of people. And then watch the fingering very carefully. I know the finger numbers are small, but get that fingering. So we're going to go slow. You ready? Let's say these note names out loud. C, E flat, F, G flat. And then you're going to tuck under to the G. Watch that tuck under there. B flat, C, C, C. Now notice I'm saying that C twice because it's tied, but I only played it the one time for the tie there. And then coming back down, B flat, G. Now notice your fourth finger crosses over to that G flat. Then third finger on F, E flat. Now a little bit of a stretch to the thumb on C. Then you cross your second finger over top of the thumb to the B flat. And then that brings you into the next measure. Let's end on that C with your thumb. All right, that'll bring you into the next run, which is just a repeat. Again, once you learn this first measure of Variation 1 in your right hand, you've got the entire right hand of the Variation 1 learned, and you've learned the C blues scale, which is really nice. All right, let's try that again a little bit faster. We're still not worried about rhythm. We're trying to get fingering right and note names right. Here we go. C, E flat, F, G flat, G, B flat, C, 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 B flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, C, B flat, C, into that next measure. All right? Now, once we're ready to start counting that, once you really get those note names really down pat, and sometimes my students will spend a week getting the note names and the fingering right. And so that's fine. If it takes you a week or a few days, that's fine. Once you get that, we'll go into the next section. The next section is counting it. Now, when you have two beams across the notes, it's a 16th note. And now we will count the correct way for 16th notes, and that is 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. And I'm going to go very slowly at first. Here we go. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, because we're going into the very first part of the next measure. Let's go a little bit faster. Watch for those accents. You ready? And watch for that tied note in the middle of the measure. That's what tends to throw people off. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Let's go a little faster. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. A little faster. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. All right, that'll do it for right now.